Picture this: you wake up in the morning, your throat's a bit scratchy, your stomach feels heavy, and the day's hustle is already looming. Now imagine holding a warm, fragrant cup of tea, ginger's spicy kick blending perfectly with lemon's refreshing zing. Yep, I'm talking about ginger lemon tea. This isn't just any drink, it's like a warm hug for your body. Today on the Natural Health Channel, we're diving into the amazing benefits of this tea and how you can whip it up at home in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's get started, because this tea is about to bring a burst of freshness to your life. So, why is this tea such a game changer? Ginger and lemon are one of nature's ultimate power duos. The gingerol in ginger teams up with lemon's vitamin C to create a superhero combo. First up, it's a lifesaver for your digestion. Feeling bloated, gassy, or sluggish after a meal? This tea's got your back. Ginger relaxes stomach muscles, while lemon balances acidity to speed up digestion. Studies show it can reduce nausea by up to 30%. Next, it's a powerhouse for your immune system. Cold season, flu waves sound familiar? Lemon's vitamin C and ginger's antiviral properties make this tea a shield against infections. It's especially great for soothing sore throats or stuffy noses. A single cup can calm those annoying symptoms and speed up recovery. For someone like me with a busy schedule, this tea's my morning ritual. It keeps my energy sky high all day. Third, it's a champ at fighting inflammation and pain. Got joint aches or stubborn headaches? Ginger's anti-inflammatory powers, paired with lemon's detox effects, help reduce chronic inflammation. It's especially recommended for arthritis. Regular use can lower pain levels. Plus, it's a game changer for menstrual cramps. My friends always ask, what's this magic? Fourth, it supports weight management. If you're working on staying in shape, this tea revs up your metabolism. Lemon's pectin fiber keeps you full, and ginger boosts fat burning. Studies suggest 3 to 4 cups a week can accelerate weight loss. It's also great for heart health, helping balance blood pressure and cholesterol. Finally, it's perfect before bed. A cup of ginger lemon tea calms your mind, boosts hydration, and preps you for sleep with that cozy, relaxed vibe. In short, this tea isn't just a drink, it's a health ritual you can weave into your daily life. But heads up, if you're pregnant or on meds, check with your doctor first, as with anything. Now for the fun part, making it at home. This recipe is so easy, you'll want to run to your kitchen and try it. It's a 5-minute, 2-serving wonder. You'll need 1 fresh lemon, a 2 to 3 centimeters piece of fresh ginger root, 2 cups of water, and optionally, a teaspoon of honey. Step 1. Thoroughly wash the ginger and slice it thinly or grate at your choice. You can keep the skin on for extra nutrients. The finer you slice or grate the ginger, the easier it is for its valuable nutrients to infuse into the water. Step 2. Place the ginger in a small pot or kettle, then add 2 cups of water or 4 cups if you want to make more. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Breathing in the steam while it's simmering can soothe your throat and clear a stuffy nose. Step 3. Pour the brewed liquid into a container. Cut half a lemon, or a whole one, depending on your preference, squeeze the juice into the container and mix. Then pour it into a cup to drink. If you'd like to sweeten it, add a spoonful of natural, organic honey. To preserve the honey's vitamins, let the tea cool slightly before adding it. And voila, your tea is ready. In these fall days, it's a top-notch natural remedy for colds, stuffy noses, and sore throats. Enjoy! That's it. Sip it in the morning on an empty stomach or at night before bed, whatever suits you. Guys, isn't it wild how something as simple as ginger lemon tea packs such a punch? Try it, feel the difference, and let me know in the comments. David, my stomach's never been happier, would make my day. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, because Natural Health has tons more natural secrets to share. One last tip, if you're into detox and morning energy boosts, check out my video on the benefits of olive oil and lemon on the channel. It's a perfect complement to this tea and supercharges your digestion. Catch you later, stay healthy, see you in the next video.